online class in class 10, subject mathematics, topic sum problems on geometry, part 5. Question number 1. If coordinate of A -2, 4, B 0, 0 and C 4, 2 are the vertices of a triangle ABC, then find the length of median through the vertices A. Suppose triangle ABC coordinate are -2, 4, 0, 0 and 4, 2. Let AD is the required median. Then D is the midpoint of BC. Then coordinate of D 0 plus 4 upon 2 and 0 plus 2 upon 2 1. Coordinate of point D 2, 1. Then length of the median AD by distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. Then the length of AD is 2 minus multiplied by plus 2 plus 2 whole square plus 4 minus 1 whole square. AD equal to under root 2 plus 2 4 4 square is 16 plus 4 minus 1 3 square is 9. Length of AD equal to under root 25, hence AD equals to 5 unit. Median of triangle ABC, vertices A, then median AD, length is 5 unit. Answer. Another question. If -2, -1, A 0, 4, B and 1, 2 are the vertices of a parallelogram, coordinate of point A -2, -1, B A, 0, C 4, B and D 1, 2 are the vertices of parallelogram. Find the value of A and B. Let coordinate of A -2, -1, B 1, A 0, C 4, B and D 1 and 2. Join the vertices diagonal AC and BD. Intersect at a point O. Therefore, O is the midpoint of AC as well as BD. Midpoint of AC equal to -2 plus 4 upon 2 and -1 plus B upon 2 and midpoint of BD. A plus 1 upon 2, 2 plus 0 upon 2. They are same points. Then 4 minus 2, 2 upon 2, 1, comma, -1 plus B upon 2 are equal. Then A plus 1 upon 2, 2 upon 2, 1. Therefore 1 equal to a plus 1 upon 2, cross multiply, 2 equal to a plus 1, then a equal to 2 minus 1, then the value of a equal to 1. And comparing second quadrant, minus 1 plus b upon 2 equal to 1. Minus 1 plus b equal to 2, hence b equal to 3. Hence the midpoint of AC as well as BD is 0, then the value of A and B, A equal to 1 and B equal to 3. Centroid of a triangle. The point of intersection of a triangle is called its centroid. Let coordinate of A x1 y1, B x2 y2 and C x3 y3 be the vertices of triangle ABC. Let D is the midpoint of BC. Then coordinate of point D is x2 plus x3 upon 2, y2 plus y3 upon 2. The midpoint of a triangle ABC, it is the midpoint, then they are ratio 2 ratio 1. Let G x comma y be centroid of a triangle ABC, then value of x equal to bisection formula 2 multiply x2 plus x3 upon 2 plus 1 multiply x1 upon 2 plus 1 and y equal to 2 multiply y2 plus y3 upon 2 plus 1 multiply y1 total upon 2 plus 1. Then the value of x cancel out, x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3 and y equal to cancel out, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Then centroid of a triangle ABC coordinate are G x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Thank you, student.